My name is Mary Gamberg. I am a research scientist based in Whitehorse in the Yukon. I did some work in Greenland on two different caribou herds, and that work suggested, I mean, it doesn't prove, but it suggests that at a certain concentration of mercury in the female caribou, in the cows, they are unable to get pregnant. Uh, I don't know whether that's true or not. It's a hypothesis that that study it shows evidence of, but it's not. I mean, I'm not comfortable saying that that's true. The the difficulty is that we don't really have a way of testing that. We can't bring the caribou into the lab and feed them different levels of mercury diet and determine how that affects their reproductive capacity, which is what you would normally do. What I do know is that if you do that with rats, the reproductive capacity is reduced and the females don't get pregnant. How close is a rat to a caribou? They're both mammals. It could be, and it may not be. So one of the very exciting things that we're doing now, again, this is very cutting edge, is looking at the epigenetics of caribou and how mercury, among other contaminants, might be affecting the reproductive capacity of caribou, of different caribou herds. The caribou genome has now been mapped and annotated, which means that they they can say which gene does what thing to some degree of accuracy, I assume. This is not my world, so I'm really at the edge of my understanding of this. So the genome's been mapped, it's been annotated, and so now at this point, we can take some liver samples and analyze them to see if certain genes are being upregulated or downregulated in response to certain contaminants being present. And this has not been done before. And we have a new project that's just started this year. There's a Professor Rowan Barrett at McGill University who is the project lead. He has a graduate student, Eric Wooten, who will be doing the lab analysis. And this is the first time that we have the potential of determining whether any of the contaminants that we're measuring are having an effect on reproductive capacity. So I don't think that it's that contaminants are the only thing that could be causing the decline. I suspect it's a cumulative effect of many different things. And it could be that mercury or other contaminants are contributing to the declines of some caribou herds.